Cucc. Hello and welcome into this fine show. Do you think I can welcome you into something? Or I don't know. Anyway, today we have a lot to cover. So this time we're gonna move really fast. However, it's really important for you to know that you've already understood the things what I'm about to tell you. So today there will be no new things. However, you're going to need all of your knowledge in order to understand what's going to happen. So let's start. Well, I really hope you see these things very clearly, otherwise you can't read them. But I won't know this until I will have recorded this footage to my computer, so there can be surprises. First of all, let me tell you that if you want to learn words in Hungarian, then you should learn the word words in Hungarian. Isn't that obvious? The word for the plural words is szavak. Do you remember these letters? Especially this one, the first one, because this is one letter. And I know that this is quite hard to understand. But we have letters which consist of two letters. If you remember our first lesson, then maybe you're familiar with these. Like j, j, s, ñ, j, j, z, j. And the last one is ch. It's not easy to remember them, I know, but you have to deal with it in order to learn this fine language. So, moving on. For practice, let's learn some words. Actually, nouns. I'll read them out to you, and then I'll tell you the meanings. So, kutya, macska, víz, tűz, ház, kert és tó. I just added és because it means and. Kutya, dog, macska, cat, víz, water, tűz, fire, ház, house, kert, garden, tó, lake. That's about it. I presume that you've already learned pronouncing the letters, so it doesn't give you a hard time reading them. Our next ones are also nouns, just for fun. Hal, kacsa, föld, levegő, tehén, eső és kő. I also added the és because it means and. Do you remember? It was 2 minutes ago. Alright. Hal, fish. Kacsa, duck. Föld, earth or dirt. Well, we have only one word for planet Earth and the dirt, and for the ground. So actually we have one word for three. Yeah, what do you know? So, föld means earth, or ground, or dirt. Levegő, air. I mean, the air what you breathe in. Tehén. Oh, this is my favorite. It's cow. Eső, rain. And finally, kő, and that's rock. We have these nouns and we are happy about them. And that's all. We can't really use them yet, but it doesn't hurt you if you learn them, does it? Our final column consists of verbs, which are very useful, admit it. I took the liberty to write some attachments just for you to remember we have learned about them. I will read only the blue stuff. Megy, sétál, fut, ír, olvas, beszél és ért. Do you remember és? Good work. Now, in order, megy. You're probably familiar with this. It means to go. Sétál, to walk. Fut, to run. Ír, to write. Olvas, to read. Beszél, to speak. Ért, to understand. Now, maybe it's not a new thing if I tell you these forms are kind of familiar, aren't they? If I use, for example, ír in this form, it means he, she or it writes. But I didn't write the green stuff just for fun there. So let's read them. Megyek, sétálok, futok, írok, olvasok, beszélek, és értek. Should I remind you that when I read you these words, I meant I do this stuff because of the ek or ok attachments. So we gained some knowledge today and only one thing left. And this is to be able to say yes or no in Hungarian. Now I wrote this one in green and this one in red, so you probably can guess what I wanted to say. It means yes and it means no. But I'll read them out for you. Igen, nem. And that's it. I know that we still have not produced any real and complex sentence. But need I remind you that the Hungarian language is quite complex, so it isn't that easy just to say a sentence. Because if you remember, if I say megyek, it is a sentence. Clearly a short one, but it is. And if I want to name things, well, that's just not that easy. But next time, because we have learned these nouns, we'll be able to name things. And probably we'll be able to use these verbs as well. So, thank you for watching Learning Hungarian. I hope that I can really help you. And perhaps I have mentioned before, if you have any questions, then please feel free to message me about anything, about Hungary and about the language. Thank you. Bye.